right, we're up at Echo Reservoir. Reports are there's maybe 6 inches of ice over by the dam side, so hopefully it's safe. There's still a lot of open water in the middle and looks like some soft edges, but we wanted to give it a shot, so we'll let you know how it is. Good. Should be fun coming back up. Safe for the sled, safe for me. Pretty safe. Oh yeah, that's about 2-3 inches. Great. It's solid ice though. Yeah, that's about 3 inches. Nice quick drill. Doesn't take long to drill when there's only that much ice. Yeesh. 48 feet of water here. Pretty good. It's about 3-4 pretty solid inches. All right, first fish on at Echo. All right, first fish of the year at Echo. Ice is pretty safe. Really hot bite with these giant fish. Awesome little tiny perchy. Ate my worm. About 60 feet of water. And we're over by the dam. Be free. Be free. Come on. Big mark. There we go. Fish on. That was a bigger hit. Did Doesn't really feel like a perch, but maybe I'm being dramatic. It is a ultralight rod. Holy crap, I'm being dramatic. Yeah, a little perchy. Another one on. Hot school of perch, 56 feet of water, about 50 yards from shore and a couple hundred feet from the dam. Beautiful sunny day out here. Found a nice school of little perch. No rockboard perch, but they're tiny little babies.